Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2002 Mazda 323 SP20 sedan, stock reference number 5772. This shape runs from the 1998 through to the 12th month 2003. It has a FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. FS 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has 3 small dents, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard has no damage, faded on the top edge, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand side skirt, left front door 1 dent and faded top edge, left rear door 2 dents and faded top edge, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the rear spoiler, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, right hand side skirt, right guard has 3 small dents and a previous repair, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.